My name is Hitesh Rahul Mure. My school name is Vishwa Shanti Niketan Vidyalaya. Third, Hansel and Gretel. Deep in the woods there lived a poor woodcutter with his wife and two children, son Hansel and daughter Gretel. Hansel's father did not have enough money. He could not give good food to Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel had an evil stepmother who did not like them. She asked her husband to leave the children in the forest. The two children heard the wicked plan for the stepmother. कोको कोंबडा पांढरा आणि तांबडा छपरावर जाऊन पाय झाला लंगडा. कोको कोंबडा चिव चिव चिमणी खाते दाणे पिते पाणी कंठात म्हणी चोचीच गाणी घरट्यात झुलते चिवत्या राणी चिव चिव चिमणी. थँक्यू.